She was born to rule, yet tragedy shadowed her cradle. Mary Stuart entered the world as Queen of Scotland, a baby crowned before she could even walk. Her life would become a battlefield of love, betrayal, and ambition. Raised in France, she learned the ways of courts and kings. She married Francois II, a young king whose sudden death left her alone, but not defeated. Returning to Scotland, Mary faced a nation torn by religion, nobles plotting at every turn, and the impossible shadow of her cousin, Elizabeth I. She loved fiercely. She fought boldly. She married and lost, defied and survived, yet every choice drew her deeper into danger. Lord Darnley's murder, her scandalous union with Bothwell, and constant rebellion tested her will. Mary's charm became her weapon, and her beauty a magnet for envy and treachery. Elizabeth watched from afar, wary and calculating. Mary plotted, hoped, and ultimately surrendered to fate, imprisoned in England for 19 years, her life hanging by the fragile threads of diplomacy and deceit. In 1587, her head fell for the claim she never truly could secure. Mary, Queen of Scots, a woman of passion, cunning, and tragedy, died as she had lived, a queen in her heart, a prisoner to history's cruel design.